Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore range. Let's consider two sets of data here, which is already arranged in ascending order. Set A and set B. Let's have a closer look at the mean and median for these two data sets, alright? Well, for data set A, the median is 18. Same goes for B. And if I were to find and calculate their mean, let's see what happened. It is also 18. Both the median and the mean for set A and set B is 18. But taking a closer look at their sets of data, when presented in a dot diagram, their distribution patterns are quite different. Set A are clustered closely together. Set B are pretty spread out. So, having just mean and median alone would not allow us to have an accurate picture of how the distribution of the data looks like. And therefore, we do need to invent new measures in order to measure how spread out the data is. Which brings us to the focus of this particular video, where we are required to find the simplest measure of spread, which is called range. Before we do that, let's take a look. Do take note, this is called measure of spread, because we are trying to describe how spread out the data is or how clustered they are, in order for us to determine the degree of variation of the data in a particular set. So this is one of the many measures of spread. How then can we find the range? Well, it depends on whether it is a ungrouped data set or a group data set. Ungrouped data set, it is the largest value minus the smallest value in that ungrouped data set. But if it is presented in a group data, then we just have to find the largest endpoint minus away the smallest endpoint. Okay? So, if you would like to see some examples, do watch my other videos as we explore some examples with regards to finding the range. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.